Hi guys, and welcome back. Today's project is the Craftsman compressor. I had this compressor for about 30 years now. I mainly use it to inflate tires, and I use it occasionally for pneumatic tools. When I went to use it today, I was using an extension and I burnt out the tab on this plug. So this is just going to be a quick video on exchanging this male plug. So to get started, first thing we're going to do is to remove the old plug. And now we have to strip back this wire. Want to be careful when you strip back this wire that you don't cut into the wires underneath. And just pull it back. Now you want to make sure that you didn't strip the wires underneath when you were taking off the outer casing. Okay, everything looks okay. I'm just removing this paper. And here's the replacement. There's several ways you can strip out these wires. You could just use the dikes, you could use a razor blade, or if you have this tool you could use this. When I have this wire stripper available, I find this to be the quickest. Once they're stripped, actually you could have pushed it through first and then stripped it if you like. Either way. And I stripped these wires back a little bit more, and you could have pushed it through first and then stripped it if you prefer that. But anyway, now your green wire is your ground. You want to bend this in the direction that you're going to turn the screw. This way, as you tighten the screw, it just wraps itself around it. It doesn't unravel. I'm not sure if this is a plug I purchased or if it's one I took off a wire that I discarded. There is some rust in here, but that could be just from being in this toolbox for a while. I don't know if you can see it here. You got to be careful putting these wires in. This ground wire's pretty close. This neutral wire, so you want to make sure, absolutely sure, that none of these wires are touching one another. Okay, I'm trying to hold that up to the camera so get a better view of it. Get it in there snug. Okay, and for the final wire, I want to twist these wires and make sure none of the strands reach across and touch one of the other terminals. Get it in there. Okay, it's good and snug. Okay, that's good and snug. It's not touching. Not touching. Nothing's touching. See if the camera could pick this up. Okay, once you have them in there snug, put the cover back on. Some of these covers will be plastic, some will be cardboard. Snap it back on. Tighten it up on the wire so it doesn't pull out. Alright, once we have it all together, you want to put your cover back on. Some of these will be plastic, some will be cardboard, and definitely not factory, or not factory installed, but user friendly. Once you have it all snugged in, you're ready to go. I hope you found this video useful. If so, give a thumbs up, pass it along, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.